Alright, new project in the house. Here I have a Bowie knife. Bought this at a yard sale. It needs to be refurbished, right? So we're going to give it some good loving. Here, this goes back and forth. There's a nut there, slotted nut. And remove that. This whole thing is going to slide out along with the guard. Quite a bit of rust on there. Look at that edge. That might be a problem, but I'm sure I can take care of that. Other side's not looking too bad. Over here, there's some etching. It says original Bowie knife. Not a fan of that, but I don't know. I might take that out. Who knows? And it's made in Germany, as you can see. So, if you're into this sort of content, stay tuned. Alright, first thing is to take out that nut. You can get one of these. See how it has, it's like a fork. So this is not going to work. As you can see, I need a bigger spread. All that off to the side. These here, you can kind of get away with these, but the thing is with this, you're going to scratch it up. That works out beautifully. I can just get it out with my hand now. And from the looks of it, I believe that's brass. Put that off to the side. Aluminum. And here we go, here's the mess. Look at this. See, personally, I would want this all glued in between here. So let me see if I can just take this out and not make a mess out of this. There we go. Set it off over here so I don't ruin the formation. Yeah, they never glued this. You don't have to, as long as it's nice and tight, but look what happened. Years and years, it's going to come out. Almost at the end here. I think I'm going to have to get a hammer to bang this out. Clean this up over here, no time no more. Alright, shout out to the hammer. Let's do this. I'm gonna have to go like this. There we go. Don't want to break those bands. It's a little loose, but not totally there. It's because this one right here, I can see. Yeah, it's rusty inside, that's why. There we go. Alright. Okay. Alright, so the handle is completely off. It's up here. Probably can see that, right? Yep. Take out the guard. That's also brass. So not bad. And there we have it. The blade. Now, we're going to clean her up, right? That tang, I got some rust on there. And yep, she is warped as heck. Yeah, she's really warped. Check this out. Look how warped that is. So that's another issue. I'm going to have to straighten that out. Holy shit. That's a problem. Alright, first things first is straighten out that warp. So I'm just going to do it by hand. And I had to be really careful because you can actually snap this. Okay, see how that goes. Okay, we're getting very close. This is actually with the dangerous part. See that? Looking good. Except down here. From here to here. And that is where this is. And I can easily break that. So I gotta be really careful. I might have to heat this up. And keeping this whole section here cool. Because I don't want to ruin the heat treat. So Let me go do that now. Alright. Got it pretty good. Going right by here. Don't go by here, because this is kind of crooked. But I'm going by here. Going straight down. Right. Trying to line it up with the camera. Right there, like that. See? Beautiful. Alright, so guys, I would not advise to do what I'm about to go do. What grit I'm using, in this case, this is the finest grit. And I'm going to be using water. With that combination, you will see what I'm going to be going for. I don't like this etching on here. I'm just going to slightly take it off along with the surface rust on just the flat surface. Now the rust has penetrated pretty good into the steel, which is a shame. So it's going to leave these character marks. I'll show you how that's going to look like. A couple of seconds here. And you wipe this off and you can start to see what I'm talking about. That's the character marks I'm talking about, which is cool because I have an idea for the finish of this knife. We're going to make her look badass. Get that edge. Starting to get warm. I'm going to go behind you, dunk it in some water. As you see, now she's cool. Now the other side. Into the solution she goes. Alright, so from here, I'm just gonna put it all back together and then put a few final touches and I'll get right back to you. We'll see how it looks at the end, right? Luckily for you, it's only gonna take this long.